Ngasi November gitang nipan ingkumja lisingani kungamangagi yaifaraba thangja numit asida Shija Academy sangafamda Freshers Meet 2025 yawinabagidamagta lengbirakliba khwai pumnamakpu ikoknona khoramjari amasung taramna okjari Loinana ngasigi welcoming dance utpinabagidamagta Anjali Maibam and her party bu same sanaba haizari
Togol Jagoi is a classical dance that originates in the royal court of Manipur. Performed mainly during the religious and cultural ceremonies, it is an offering dance dedicated to the deities, usually performed by the Maibis during festival like Laya Harauba, which celebrates the creation of the Umang Lai, a celebration of creation, faith, and cultural heritage. As our guests and special invitees have arrived, please rise to welcome them, and I request my friends to kindly them on stage.
Anjali Maibam and her party bu stage ta kokotpinaba tolokpiraknaba ningsingjari ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯍꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯇꯥꯟꯖꯥ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯂꯧꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯤꯡ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤꯅ ꯐꯦꯂꯤꯁꯤꯇꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯔꯦꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯔꯤ꯫ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯒꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕꯤ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕꯗ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯔꯕꯤ ꯃꯦꯗꯥꯝ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔ ꯀꯦ.ꯍꯩꯆ. ꯕꯣꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯏꯑꯣ ꯁ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯂꯥꯡꯒꯣꯜꯕꯨ ꯐꯝꯐꯝ ꯂꯥꯡꯗ ꯂꯦꯡꯈꯠꯄꯤꯔꯛꯅꯕ ꯅꯣꯜꯂꯨꯛꯆꯔꯤ꯫ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯤꯡ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤꯅ ꯐꯦꯂꯤꯁꯤꯇꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯔꯤ꯫ ꯇꯥꯡꯂꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯀꯥꯏꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯦꯗꯥꯝꯕꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ꯫
Secondly, we would like to welcome an individual who consistently exhibits a remarkable welcome to our new batches of paramedical students, without whom the freshers' meet would be incomplete. Today's guest of honor, Dr. Sorokhaibam Jugindra, Medical Service, to proceed on the stage. And I request my friends to kindly come on the stage to felicitate with bags and honor. Thank you, sir. We are blessed to have you here.
ꯃꯈꯥ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯒꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯑꯣꯅꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯣꯏꯗꯣꯛ ꯍꯦꯟꯗꯣꯛꯅ ꯁꯛꯈꯪꯅꯔꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯔ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔ ꯀꯨꯟꯗꯣꯡꯕꯝ ꯆꯦꯇꯟ ꯁꯤꯖ ꯐꯥꯎꯟꯗꯦꯁꯟ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤꯕꯨ ꯐꯝꯐꯝ ꯂꯥꯡꯗ ꯂꯦꯡꯈꯠꯄꯤꯔꯛꯅꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯔꯤ꯫ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯁꯔꯕꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ꯫
Lastly, we would like to welcome on the dais whose dedication ensures satisfaction of those around her. A person whose vision have been a source of inspiration, that is today's president, our beloved principal, Madam Dr. C.H. Babita Devi. And I call upon our friends to felicitate with bags and honor and gifts of esteem. Thank you, ma'am. We are very delighted to have you here. Now, we request our friends to kindly honor and present the boutonniere to our respected teachers and special invitees as a token of love and respect. Now let me highlight the programs. First, we have welcome address by Senior Nelvis, followed by speeches of the guests, guest of honor, chief guest, and our president. Then, vote of thanks by our friend Morisco, followed by light refreshment. And lastly, we have entertainment programs.
ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯦꯜꯀꯝ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯤꯆ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯔꯠ ꯏꯌꯔ ꯁꯦꯅꯤꯌꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯗꯔ ꯅꯦꯜꯕꯤꯁꯄꯨ ꯀꯧꯈꯠꯆꯔꯤ.
Good morning to one and all present here, respected dignitaries, special invitees, teaching and non-teaching staff, and my dear juniors and my dear friends. I myself, Ngangkham Nelbis of BOTT, First Base, is honored to stand here on this wonderful and joyous occasion, the Freshers Meet of Third Base B.Sc Paramedical students of Shija Academy 2025. I extend a very warm and heartfelt welcome to all present here today. First and foremost, I would like to welcome and extend our deepest respect and gratitude to our chief guest, Dr. K.H. Boni, CEO Sri Lanka, and the guest of honors, Dr. Sorokhaipam Jugindra, Director Medical Services, Sri Lanka, and Dr. K.H. Setan, Secretary, Shija Foundation, Langol, for sparing valuable time from your busy schedule to grace these special occasions. Your presence truly inspires us. We welcome you, Madam and Sir, and it is my great pleasure to extend a warm and respectful welcome to our respected Madam Principal, Dr. C.H. Babita Devi, Principal CJ Academy, the guiding force of our institution, whose leadership, encouragement, and constant support help in the smooth running of all academics and co-curricular activities. We welcome you, ma'am. I also warmly welcome Sir Mirnal, Administrative Officer, and all our teaching and non-teaching staff who are the true pillars of this institution. Your hard work, dedication, and care, the nurturing environment that allows every student to learn and grow. We are also deeply honored to welcome our special invitees, the dedicated professionals and mentors who guide us during our clinical posting. Your patience, support, and real-world experience help us bridge between theory and practices. Now, we take a moment to warmly welcome our dedicated sound and light team to ensure the program runs smoothly and shines beautifully. I also take this opportunity to welcome my best mates and immediate juniors whose effort and organize these beautiful functions and help today's program possible. And most importantly, a very special and cheerful welcome is and every one of you, dear freshers, to the CJ Academy. Today's mark the beginning and exciting journey filled with learning, service, and personal growth. You, the freshers, are stepping into a noble profession where compassion and care from the heart of everything we do. This Freshers Meet is not just an event, it's a celebration of new beginnings, new friendships, and the promises of a bright future. Let this day remind us that beyond books and exams, we are part of a team that works for the health, safety, and well-being of others. Once again, on behalf of CJ Academy, I welcome you all to this wonderful celebration. Let's make this day a memorable one, filled with laughter, joy, and togetherness that will last forever. Thank you.
Thagachari Brother Nelbispu adomgi taramlaba wahai khara thambirabagidamagta.
There is a saying that words have the power to both destroy and heal. So this is the moment to have speeches which are filled with inspiring words. So for that, we would like to request our respected Sir Sorokhaipam Jugindra, today's guest of honor, to share some words with us.
Good morning, everyone. Koramjari, mayamna norukchari. Ngasi 8th of November 2025 SPRAGI Freshers Meet third batch sigumlaba yamna nungaiba numit sida Diasta Lengchen Biribi Chema Boni Dr. Chetan Principal Babita all the faculties of SPRA senior technicians of Shija hospitals students of SPRA all invitees yamna nuaiba numitni technicians haiba matamda aigidi isagidi yamna tonganba yamna close relationship ama lei maramdi aibu pokpa ipado masamak laboratory technician orame aduki matik ipadagi akhuna tamhowi adugi wari khara thamjaningi mayamda Surkhaibam Janjajit Singh Kawi Masamak ki maming si angang tarani thoi pokpada mana tarama thoi subani aduna moise adugi matamduda akhogi idhau se adum ningthaugi konungda thabak taubani aduna senthok lambi adum lay adumakpo angang tarani thoi si moina panaba senabado adum matamadudadi adum mayamna adum imagine tawda adum khangbirangmani chahi 533 surakpada mahak si Manipur dagi thokraga army da join tawgi ai ipasa army da join tawr matungda ma masamaki aduki matik interest laibuduna maram oraga asana yam pamjabuduna maram oraga health care sida changingbuduna maram oraga mahakna army medical co kawe adugi company du da yauraga join tawraga makhatana thabak tawki aduga konthangda matam khara leraga mahaksi Armed Force Medical College and AFMC Pune sida India ki di yamna khwaidagi yamna army gi medical college research center oiba AFMC duda laboratory technician tambagi adugumba khudongchaba phangki adudagi laboratory technician tamba lower matungda army gi hospital mayamama da India gi mafam da chatuna service toubirammu aduga mayam anaba mayam gi adugi technician oina seba tauki akhoina khangjarakpada mahak masagi skill duna maram oraga slide semba slides yengba microscope ta malaria se identify tawba sigisi technician amona not as a pathologist not as a doctor technician amona aduki matik magi skills si hirakke habada kanagumba pathologist amana doctor amana doubt leba matamda hospital da ma se nungdang da ahing da orsu emergency call kaurakanda slide to akhoi father sina yengaga final decision do pinanaba marks e kaw se akhoi adum thenagi akhona chawrakpa matamda technician oina laboratory khatangi natabuda mahakki interest na maram oiraga operation theater gi technician sisu technician gi thabak singsu loina hai the technical section da thajal luraga the x-ray na mo harga sodum haiga ba adagi laboratory test tawro haibasu haigadawa ingredients mayam gi magi component mayam se sungu haibasu haigadawa admaina adagi research tawu matamda pathologist singna AFMC Armed Force Medical College Pune gi the research tawu matamda research ki oiba magi procedure mayam sida akoi father se yahwal laga mahak po adugi activity yam changchalame uchi da akoi uchi angobudo guinea pigs and mouse white mouse aduda akoi se ping aduda class 4 5 tamma matamda AFMC da lay aduda akoi father na pubiraga magi research laboratory do aduda pubiraga koi chatlaga aduda yamna akoi da angakpo haiba tare research center da tawriba thabak mayam do sa mark to da tawraga moina hida kaptana khotana tawdana e chingdana adugi test tawraga research tawba mayam do admaina haurakhiba akhoi gi ipani aduga kona army degi retire tawraba matungda sidasu manipur gi oiba private laboratory khwaidagi ahanba private clinical laboratory hawdokpase akhoigi ipana hawdokhibni manipur da maming su boni clinical laboratory kawi wari se ina lija huningni because this is a forum for technicians aduna technician ama oina kai yamna krai bho yona pots thabak se taw yabage habdo adugi matang da kaino da aidi ipamak admaina technician oraga yamna inspiring oiba aingonda laihiba aduna ne wari thamjari se admaina tawdana boni clinical laboratory se manipur gi oiba private clinical laboratory oraga private doctors singna e blood test torpa urine stool test tawba kadoba adagi investigation tharkpa mayam se biochemical investigation tharkpa mayam se adu test tawraga adugi sendam duna maram oraga macha ahum ai samak ai iche Dr. Boni adagi ai elder brother Gunindra Sorokhaibam akoi ahumak se lairik tambira kanda akoi se Dr. Ohelai brother duna pharmacist B.Sc pharmacist oraga drug inspector oina retire tawgi handakta admaina tawrakpa adagi changsalakpa matamda Shija clinic tagi Shija hospital olakpagi tanja sidadi akoigi father na amuk yam chawna thodang lawgi wari oina lehawda potni mayam dasu khanganing bagini younger generation dasu Shija horkanoi ngasi spra Shija gi ming yauna laiba institution ama sida hairiba singba technician amagi magi contribution do aina mayam da khanganing bani Shija hospital horakpasi ahan bada Shija clinic oina horakpani Pauna Bazar da OPD tawraga Dr. Palin and Dr. Boni Mabani na OPD clinic tawraga anaba OPD yenga minor operation macha tawraga pharmacy amagi maningda ka ama lawraga adu attach tawraga tawgiba horakhiba 1985 da adumba organization adudagi honglakpada Rims Road ta Shija clinic ki 9 bed hospital ama khwadagi ahanba hobum tamsida father Sorokhaibam Janjatit masamak aduga akhoigi ai ki pokpi ima Sorokhaibam ongbi ibemhal devi ani sina khudong thodang yam chawna lawgi madudi patient samna akhoina pesa leina hogi banate adubu patient se admission darkar tare haibasi sarpalena admit tawro ana haire admit tawnabagi advance lawre patient tagi adi patient tagi advance lawro matungda patient se nga hele OPD gi thangnaba kaamda nga hele aduga akhoigi mother sina rickshaw ma tonga Rims Road tadi kan bazar si amna rickshaw ma tonga adu chakraga phamong phiron kangan phi kari loina mu lairu doini aduga anaba party su udringa da nakandagi tumena pukhalaga phamong si thara kanda lao chango no admit tawdoni tawra matungda matam madudadi kang chikpagi problem se adum laibnina kanghan si darkar tai adubu kanghan si kanagumda tu na pithokradi paisa mangani hena ai ipamakna masamakna kanghan si turimni operation theater da sinagadauba OT dress Farid Piron me amakse ai father na tubani an ba hogdorakpa Shija clinic ki kakpana akhoi mother na kakpa ma se tailoring gi graduates oeba akhoi mother se aduna kakpadi haiba adegi di thuna bne na akhoi father na torga machine torga khutno olaga machine se torga ahing tumda ngai moina turaga sembi gi ba tawbi gi ba adumba Shija clinic tagi horaga Shija hospitals matungda hojik San Spra Medical College adudagi hojik khumang chakshalaga ngarang nahanda akhoina taitareta Tripura da Shija hospitals Tripura haunana bagi damakta inauguration akogi foundation stone Chief Minister of Tripura Manik Sahana adumba foundation stone sithamakanda hojik sigumba akogi institute se adasu Tripura dasu haunana ba Agartala da haunana ba koidu changchalli so samlapna ina thamning badi technician nurses all paramedical services aduki matik maru oi aduga limit te leite services tu gi limit te leite sina are pani habdu leite tawba yaba yamna lei aduna even akoina Agartala da Tripura gi ahanba kidney transplant hoba adegi ngarang nahanda manga suba tawgre Tripura da chalaga Shija hospital ki team na chalaga ada tawbuni aduda chatliba team sida sunaba yaudaba yade lonamak technician dagi nurse dagi OT nurse dagi technician dagi karidagi lona amta wattana yaudaba yadamnina lona chatlaga ada tawrurimni so that is the progress and expansion akoigi tawraiba wari sida father gi ama quality amaga ina mayamda thamjaning basi mahakna Manipur da leiba doctor amatta chithadana mana tinarame masak maming khangna tinarame aduga loinarame IMA Indian Medical Association se doctors ki association ne adubu ma se mahak se honorary member oina happy raga IMA ki achoba thodang amal lorami aduga healthcare Manipur gi healthcare da mayam da sandokpada mayam gi healthcare da progress porkpada aduki matik achoba thodang lorami private clinic hogdokpa yai habase mana masana hogdoga mayam da thambirambadagi atai private clinic mayam ama haurakpani so that is the progress and vision of a laboratory technician adumakna maram oraga aingondadi yamna dear oi yamna close oi technicians singse and congratulations to the third batch and welcome to this profession healthcare profession da you have to be honest siki thabak sida honesty sima yamna maru oi si sima I thamjaningi karigino haibada tawriba test tawriba x-ray nambani khangde adegi operation theater da assist tawbani khangde anesthesia da assist tawbani khangde sigumba tawba matam sida aikoina honestly magi result piba natraga honestly thabak tawdaba matamda patient tu gi di punsi mangba yaya serana just simple B positive to the B negative and a blood group report se pigraba mi anabado sibaya ba pot ne very simple haraga su krai ho yona pot magi effect to legi hada mi amagi thwai mangba yaya aduna araiba thabak tinate akoina welcome tawriba noibu welcome tawriba thabak se araiba thabak tinatte, but it is very fruitful, it is very prajada darkar oiba, yaugdanadi healthcare se yararoidaba adugumba service ni, aduna welcome to this profession. Last, aina haijaning basi, akhoi ipa se, ipa dudagi tamhoba pot amani, hang basi leptaba, question to basi leptaba, magi khangning bagi chang se adukimatik lai basi, anga loira ho he is no more, hujik lai kitre, father se lai kitre, adubo ahan oraga yamna chahi yama bhaudane, si karigino hai pot se, si hang basi sune leptaba, kaidobo si taurino, si karino. Hypothese, anything, scientific OBI, literature ki OBI, anything OBI, man hang basi lep tab se, adu ki matega khoi da inspire tawi, aduna mayamda ina technician, useful, functional and scientist oina technician OB ge hypo taragadi hang bale pigano simaga ain thamjaraga. Once again, thank you so much for allowing me to come here, share my thoughts and my memories about my father, because he was a laboratory technician. And thank you all. Congratulations to the third batch. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. Next, we'd like to request our respected sir, Dr. K.H. Chetan, Secretary, Shija Foundation, Langol, today's guest of honor, to share some words with us.
A very good morning to one and all. Respected Chief Guest, Dr. Boni Kundongbam, our respected guest of honor, Dr. Jugindra Sorokhaibam, respected Madam Principal C.H. Babita, our administrative team of SPRA, the relentless teachers of SPRA, the organizing team, students of SPRA, and to the most special guest of today's program, the third batch of SPRA. Today is a day of inauguration, a day of pledging ourselves that we are entering into a professional life. Mayamda hazik akhoi thamjaningi si khwaidagi hena privilege leraba population group ta changba ki numit ne ngasi. Paramedics as such anabana naraga khwaidagi waba tanjaduda paramedical teams ina moigi khwaidagi vulnerable oiba matamdu da changaga moibu laying bidoine adugi privilege to phangba howrabani ngasi degi. Lab ta test ngaiba noina report paira tholak toine report tu gi matungina magi makha taba treatment je kai oidoino je noi gi khutta adugi privilege to pira adoine x-ray lobo kanda karamba sarute ino karamba part ta so ino adugi privilege to noi da pira adoine ot da anaba se pakhat na hadi makut ka je humang daraga changak toini and ki raga pakhalaga changak toini hipthan bakanda noina moibu themda bidoine kaino da madi amuk hogalakadra hogalaroida je khandoine ba minor operation oisano major oisano but hariba akhoi gi technical teams ina moibu phada bidoine masu uba phangdaba khabar pa ba ngamdaba ahan nama lakpada noina moigi anok sembidoine. So hariba privilege the privilege of proximity miyoi bamana khwaidigi waraba khwaidigi naraba tanjaduda
Noibu moi manakta changhan bagi privilege to ngasi noi the pirabane. Naragadi angang bok haksang manaksi the changhaning de. But noi di koksalak to never amtang kan biyon. So sigi hariba responsibility se documatic section na ngasi degi yamna respectfully hariba every khongthang se khallaga dum changchan ba hobiro. Mayamna hai healthcare da changragadi akoi ki doctor na loina limelight se lowe na, but which is partially true and not so true. Kaigino da haziki hariba healthcare se da technical team yaudana doctor na laying mangamoy. Ai amuka maning hanjarake ngasai gi report to thoklak tragadi doctor na hidak thaba yaro. Technician duna anabado OT da pusalaga hiphalaga ma se prepare torakanda da surgeon duna operate tawdone. Similarly, hariba technical teams in every single live first responder oidoni ko. First responder is a mayam khangi ko. Asokpa anabado first oina akoi clinical site ki unabado thingnabado adu da magi life saving procedures adu da decide tawradoni ba. So sigi responsibility se mayam da ngasi pirabane ba. Ado aina jo hanjana haijai privilege sigi je privilege ne na khanbiu. Mayam sigi journey sida noigi course sida tumba khar walakani chaba thakwa kitang hadi mathak makha chalakpa yai pothaba kitang phangakta yai. But at the end of the day mayam na lying bagi feel sida changak pakanda patient amana miyoi ba mana noibu nakut pairaga thank you noina ayu convidana ayum hanba ngamdore haba numitto adada haziki wagi ba myam do loina kawrani. So haziki driving force which is very divine haidi adukimatik wangna akoina thamjaba uzaba feel neba sigi paramedical teams. Technical skills yamna section na noi tambam change kaino da noi gi technical skill duna neba haksang kan doise. But at the same time noina patient to bu lu na tawbibudo aduna thawai kan doi noi gi technical skill na haksang kan doiba but noina lu na tawbibudo aduna thawai kan doiba. Ado ai yam sang na so ai matam logja roi. Congratulations to the third batch. Noin hazik puri si you are taking a legacy hana first batch like re second batch like re moi dagi su noina tamhodoni noi gi makha tarakpasu noina takpi doini. So yamna important oi bachahi ni noina changa ise, and healthcare needs people like you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for those valuable words. Now, we like to... My mistake, sorry. Now, we would like to request our respected ma'am, Dr. K.H. Boni, CEO Sri Lango, today's chief guest, to enlighten us with valuable words.
Good morning, everyone. Respected dignitaries on the dais, faculty of the SPRA, invited guests, my dear students. Today is a very bright day with the good sunshine, marking the entry of all of you the newcomers to the profession of medical profession. Every entry to a new field might be a time with so many anticipations as to what lies ahead. You might be slightly nervous. That is quite natural. But from my side, what I want to say is, don't be nervous. Be comfortable. Be happy that you are in another horizon, another world, where you are getting the liberty of knowing yourselves, knowing the human beings, giving them the best you can. That is the privilege that you are endowed with, that I can do something for another human being, and you should be very grateful for that. No other profession has that privilege. I am a doctor today because somewhere a person inspired me, telling me, you become a doctor. And gradually, as I grew up, my inspiration I got from the lady doctors who walked around in the campus with good uniforms. And looking at them, my conviction to become a doctor became a very strong force. Since my father was in the army, we were always in the hospitals. Dr. Jugindra Naujik, yamna samlapna, aduga yamna machang oiba wafam mayam ama thambigre. Maduda aina ahenba hainingai thudokna leite. Yamna nungaiba maduda aina hapsan gadobadi. Yes, I doctor oiningami, doctor tamningami, adubu nga sembadi haite. Nga sembase ay yamna hangui. For that matter, anything like that. One incident, matam yam sang na logdabada ay ningjangakpada. Ay pungkang na chawra matam. Some class 9, 10. Matamduda. Ako'y pabung na. Ako'y pabung hadi. Dr. Jugindra gisu pabung, ay gisu pabung. Ako'y itininaw ni na. Yin se. Matugal oy na khokto oba yin se. Puragalai. Aduga pamme. Ay kauksan bire. Yin se semo hai. Ay yin do di sema dilar na. Pai baba hangoi jaba. Ay ngamoy semoin ay phajana kapthagre. Ay engonda si semo harakanon. Adi nang doctor kamay oidoy no sinida. Doctor kamay tamdoy no sinida. Doctor tambasi me am khangbiram gani anatomy dissection tawe. Khangi ko human dead body dissection tawe. Adu kamay na tawdoy no ha. Adana nang haita yade. Yen sem the yade cinema. So that's how their interest in bringing up, motivating their children was quite a remarkable one. I still remember this because I had to become a doctor. I did study the anatomy dissection later on when I joined MBBS course. Another atopa wariyama Dr. Jugendra Nadi mentioned Toramdava Aina Hapjanjaniba Mana. Akoi Pabungi interest. Chak Thongba the Sule. My interest. Pritoba the Sule. As a laboratory technician, Nupigi Thabak, irrespective of that, Moza alone bazuhai. You'll be surprised. Myself, Aisu Isasu, Moza alone basikradum, Haijarai, Tamjarai. Hojik Pawang on the Samtugi put it amalay. Akoi Pabunat Tankai Lonba. Aina Tankai Lonjab. Ay Angang Singda, Agi Icha Singda, anybody Pritse Ulaga Hai. Akoi Pabuna si Tankaim Lon Bani, Aina Tankaim Lomani. Mayeka su Toyponi, Yamna Madu the Tokomayesi, Akoi Laidibi, Kari, Migi, Frog Selaga, Kut Samnaraga, Jagoi Sabaki, Design got Hoga. Mayamna. Ang tang exhibition tau jau harga su tanjab hangagadi ay nong matau jage. That is what his talents were. Just to remember what kind of a person he was. Even if was just, we don't say now just, he was a remarkable laboratory technician. Similarly, my dear students, what I want to emphasize is whatever subject you are interested in, be honest to it. Do justice to what your job is entitled with. That's how we can do something that we are born and God has endowed us with such grace, blessings. Be honest, that's what has been already said. Honesty is the only key for this profession, and your conscience will allow only the honesty. Anything you do, if it is mistaken, commit to it and be honest to learn, correct yourself at right times. And admitting to your mistakes, correcting yourselves will make you grow. And that is the best award that you will carry forward, and you will make your next batches, next generations to be a symbol of grace, someone to look up to, and learn from you, and that will make a very remarkable difference, a difference that will make you a different person. Never hide your mistakes. Admit to it. And admission will only make you grow, will make your knowledge increase. So, right from the beginning, because you have just entered into this course, right from the beginning, learn the basics thoroughly, learn the basics. Your basics should be a good foundation, and go ahead. You will ever be successful. So let's welcome today, the 8th November 25, and after the full course. Your teachers are there to receive you, make you all capable technicians, and do justice to the humanity. Never feel sorry that your teachers are scolding you, but that is only for the good. That's what I wanted to share with you and make today's welcome freshers meet a very happy one, a memorable one. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for your speech, which have inspired us a new perspective. Lastly, we would like to request our respected ma'am, Dr. C.H. Babita Devi, Principal of CJ Academy, to impart some knowledge.
Respected Chief Guest of today's function, Madam Dr. K.H. Bonni, Chief Executive Officer, Shija Hospitals and Research Institute, Guest of Honor, Sir Dr. S. Zugindra, Director, Medical Services, Shija Hospitals and Research Institute, and our another Guest of Honor, Sir Dr. K.H. Seton, Secretary, Shija Foundation, the special invitees, Madam Gayatri Maibam, Director, HR, Mr. Marinanta Kelambam, Administrative Officer, Mrs. Manjusri, Deputy Director, Academics, Pulap Supsalaga, all the dedicated members of Shija family, dear students, both seniors and juniors, who are the future leaders in healthcare. A very good morning to everyone. First of all, I would like to appreciate all the freshers for choosing one of the noble healthcare profession, and I also congratulate all of you for getting admission in Shija Academy. Shija Academy is one of the leading paramedical institute having its parent hospital, a strong multidisciplinary hospital where you can undergo your training, practical training independently and develop competent skill to provide comprehensive care to the needy patients. Today, I welcome you formally to our institution. It is said that the noblest aspects of one's life is serving people. Our profession is not just serving people, but serving and healing the ailing patient. Akoi miyoibagi punsida khwaidagi waba haibase physically and mentally sontharaba kanda, that is when we are sick. Aduga matang kuina anaba amaga loinana leiba matamdana hena waribaneba. Asigumba khwaidagi waba situation asiganiko akoina deal tawdise. So dear students, always keep in mind that we are dealing with the precious life of human being. So we should be very sincere. Aduga sincerity haibasiti interest sagi masama tomdana dum lakadabaniko. Adunane right from the beginning, when you enter into this course, amamam to oina aina nakoida hangibado. You join this course is because of your interest or is your parents' choice. Hangiko. And I was very happy with your response that you came here with your own interest. Parents kharadi masagi apam pam da thidana job opportunity yang kansida profession jida forcefully adum thazalidana, but masa sing aduna di interest leitabani na profession do success oiba ngamdeba. But luckily nakoi with interest nakoi sigi profession sida sang adu ebatarabadi prepare yourself to become a competent and compassionate professionals. masi oige hairabadi you need some tools khulai khara sangi ko kai kai no hairagadi hard work resilience passion for learning and acquiring knowledge and skill hairiba mayam se sigi mathakta khoina nakhoina khangadabidi nakhoi hauzik kari no kari oiri and what's your future destination. It's very important to know what you are now, what's your future goal. Kari oirige no hai? Student. Karma makhangi student. A healthcare professional student. So you have to behave as a student, act as a student who are well disciplined, well organized, responsible, who have a strong work ethics. You should have a very good time management skill, positive attitudes. Shigi mayam se nangi course sida profession sida interest le na sangak pa oitaragati automatically matomda dum laksaraga doinebako. And along with this, very important thing is a good institution. And you are very lucky that you are getting admission in a right institution, Shija Academy, which is supported by Shija Hospital. Shija Hospital di na koi na dum hana dagi so dum taramani ko. Aduna, I can say you are very lucky. Aduga amana nakhoi gi parents na nakhoi bu Shija Academy da nakhoi gi profession gi damakta training gi damakta thare ise kayino haibuse nakhoi su khongbam thoi mase isam ne ta thare ki banate ba with a purpose they send you here. It's a form of investment haibusida bu profit legadaba mafam da invest tawdarane. So as a responsible parents, your parents wanted you to become a successful person who can stand by your own leg, and they have a full confidence that nakhoi se Shija Academy da tharak lagadi definitely madu oigani haibagi chauba acha ama parents sing da lei. Why Shija Academy so confident? Because Shija Academy is very strict. Attendance very strict. Punctuality need to be maintained. Maintain a very strict examination rule. You have certain rules and regulations which can mold you to become a disciplined person. There are so many things you can learn from the parent hospital with the available facilities. Facilities in terms of knowledge, skill, technology. Faculties are well experienced, who can guide you, who can supervise you to make you a good student, a responsible member of the society, an ideal citizen of the nation. Nakhoige parents singi dreams to mado mangphau na hanbase is your responsibility. Nakhoige parents ki di financially support tawgani, and we institution management and faculties nakhoibu right part ta lamjing biba darkar leba resources and material nakoi gi namang da thambi ba duneba mado lowba haiba khunba haiba is your responsibility. Aduga amana aina haining ba masulai madudi kai no haragadi getting good marks in the examination mase yamna phai, but equally important is the skill. Getting good marks in the examination and no skill is not going to be accepted. There are students who get very good mark without attending class, without undergoing practical training in hospital. See, our profession, sidasang is both skill and knowledge. Animak se manana sabina gadabaneba. A very simple example. Kidney function test ki blood collection blood sample low basiko. Masi skill natra. Che, both knowledge and skills. Arung sang skills yam na maru oyeba. the correct amount of blood drawn from the blood vessel in a correct tube, in a single prick, that is skill. Ahum marirak patient with the till lagadi. Patient kamai react to how the patient will react. Keep in mind, patient na hospital da lag base expectation amaga loina na la ini. Makoy da lairiba anaba nungaitaba pumdamag to hospital yauragadi loina pharani haibagi achauba asamaga loina na la ibaneba. Makoy gi anabadu akoina handa hambagi mahutta akoina khangdabadagi haitabadagi akoigi careless dagi akoigi mistake dagi makoigi condition do hena deteriorate ta hollaba si hallaba. No one would accept this. Yaningadarane yaningoi ko. That should not happen. Aduga yangu akoigi isa se saw kraba akoigi body size this is a pick kraba needle do na prick tawbada akoi chainang phawi. See how sensitive we are, human beings. Aduna, we should not play with the patient. We should not play with our profession. We should be very careful. Adu oy bataragadi, a very successful person, very successful professional, oy gi hai batarabadi, right from the beginning, hauruk padigi hauna, thawai hakchang yauna, nakoi honaba machangeba. So you have to attend a regular lecture class, demonstration class, because that is going to apply in reality. Theory the pollution in reality, in patient the neighbor, akoina loina ma akoin tamiba khuding magse apply to rakadoi se. Yes, you can get knowledge by reading books, but getting knowledge through classroom teaching, CD, it's not comparable with the just reading with the books. Classroom teaching the noina phangdoi sikai kaino takadoriba ojasingdo makhoi na taglakadoribudo life experience example mayama mayaurakani nakhoi ki doubt laiba khudok khudak ta clarify tawgani discussion tawgani adidi classroom teaching jam important oidro aduna every semester every year the topics which you are going to deal based on the curriculum mado yamna mamuttana both theory and practical khanga sapama mathau taiba 11 amadigi 11 amada lakpa semester amadigi semester ama kakhatpa mado mamutana tana sakhiba ma darkar oi adu erba taragit badi wherever you go in any healthcare setting you will survive. Aduga sagi aina hagi pado ai isa hoji kari oi have masi amna important oi na hoji kari oi nagi target to kari no madu ga loina na sat pataragadi suksoi soidana na koi se yamna successful oiba healthcare provider amo oi doineba nang na madum haina satpa matamda kanagumam na nangonda nokna ba comment tawba yauragasu you need not bother. Nangi friends sing yamne enjoy tawba koithokpa langthokpa ngakthokpa do nang aduda mitabagi mathau tadi aduga akhoi gi lamdam sidi harau kumai deba karma yang kungi ko masidagi yarige avoid taw because hoji mak na khoi je student neba student oina dum lega daw neba aduna harau kumai deba karma chitha daga yawba haise maduna kari da factor hai kan sida nangi study da distract tawgani and also it hindered in achieving your goals. So always keep in mind that you are a student adaga good student oinanaba always honaga dawani ko aroi bada best of luck as you enter into this profession and wish you all to become a compassionate caregiver. Thank you everyone once again. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. We value your thoughtful words. Your message will resonate with us.
ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯞ ꯃꯣꯔꯤꯁꯀꯣ ꯂꯧꯔꯦꯡꯕꯝꯕꯨ ꯕꯣꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯊꯦꯡꯛꯁ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯅꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯖ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯧꯈꯠꯆꯔꯤ.
A very good afternoon to everyone. As we bring this wonderful Freshers Meet to a close, I myself, Morisco Lorembam of BMRIT Second Best, is honored to stand before you to deliver the vote of thanks on the behalf of the organizing committee. First and foremost, I would like to extend our deepest gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Dr. K.S. Poni, CEO, Sri Lanka, for gracing this occasion with your inspiring presence despite your busy schedule. I would also like to thank our guest of honor, Dr. Jugendra Sorokabam, Director Medical Services, Sri Lanka, and Dr. K.S. Sedan, Secretary Shija Foundation, for your presence and encouragement. A special thank you to our today's President, Dr. C.S. Babita, Principal Shija Academy, for your visionary leadership and constant support. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to Sir Mrinal Takalambam, Administrative Officer, for gracing this occasion with your presence, and we are honored to have you here. I extend my sincere thanks to our respected teaching and non-teaching staff for their constant support and guidance in making this event possible. I also like to thank today's special invitees and guest lecturers for your presence. It is a great motivation and inspiration to us. A heartfelt thank you to the organizing committee and volunteers for their tireless effort and meticulous planning, from decoration to coordination, from managing registration to technical support. Every detail has been thoughtfully arranged. I would also like to thank our technical staff of light, sound, and camera for their tireless effort. And finally, to all our freshers, your fresh perspectives, your vibrant energy, and your enthusiasm have added a new life to our campus. We hope today's celebration has made you feel warmly welcome. And in conclusion, I would like to thank each and every one of you for being here today and making this Freshers Meet a memorable and joyful celebration. Thank you all once again from the bottom of our heart. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.
Thagachari Morisco.
There is a saying, your words are the mirror of your mind. Speak with grace and your world will reflect the beauty. And today's every smile and every word spoken reflects the beauty of a new beginning. Now, as the formal program have come to an end, I would like to request our friends to come to an end. I would like to request our dignitaries to kindly occupy the stage arranged in the front row of the hall, and please to enjoy the light refreshment.